What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Dropping off a box truck today we purchased. We'll talk to you more about it. Basically, we're here in Madison, Georgia to put a Dovetail on it. If anybody know anything about a Dovetail, that's a little ramp that you have off the back of the box truck. Here in Conyers, well, should I say Madison, but they go by Conyers truck bodies. They have put a Dovetail on for me in the past on my box truck. So now they're gonna put one on this truck we just purchased it from U-Haul. It's a 10-footer. And just so you know, we just bought the doggone thing and the check engine light came on like 2 days. This is our second time driving. The check engine light came on. Disappointed in it, but come to find out the check engine light has something to do with the fuel pressure sensor. So it's probably gonna cost me a couple of $100 to get it fixed, but nonetheless, it has like 80,000 miles on it, which was 20,000 miles less than another truck that we had thought about purchasing it. But we did something smart this time. We took it to our truck dealer who fixes our truck. Well, he's not a dealer, he Auto Fleet. So let me get that name right. It is what is it, Automotive Fleet. So they're the ones who actually, you know, fix on our box trucks. I call that the doggone the box truck babysitter, because man, that thing was in that doggone shop for so long. I felt like I was paying child care payments weekly to keep that thing fixed. So hopefully we did due diligence. We took it out to these guys. They looked it over for us. They said, hey, everything looks good. And we was like, cool. We felt really cool about purchasing it. And then we drove it off the lot and picked it up again today to bring it out here. And the check engine light came on. Well, you know what they say. You get what you pay for. It wasn't cheap though. I'll tell you about it after I find out how much it's gonna cost me to get that doggone fuel line pressure sensor thing fixed. All right. Cut on, lawn care family, cut on, and I'm cutting out. Peace.